And this woman will put her AEW World Championship on the line this Sunday at All in London against her most... Oh, wait a second. Sonny, we got some audio. Seems to be a commotion in the back, and it seems to be Mercedes Moné, the challenger this Sunday.
So sorry, but you will not be hearing from Willow tonight. Because Willow, this is your last Dynamite as champion, sweetheart. That's right. I took away you speaking to your fans. I'm taking away this stupid hand. Not smiling so much now, huh? Because this Sunday, this is gonna be gone for good. Just like this is gonna be gone for good. Good luck, Willow.
We need some medical attention for Willow Nightingale fans. We'll try to provide an update as Dynamite continues from Glasgow.